See here, this is the bowl we purchased on Flipkart for 200 rupees. The main use of this stainless steel bowl is to strain vegetables or even fruits. But the user who purchased this has purchased with the plan and intention to clean meat and these prawns or anything like that, so to avoid the smell, means there will be completely water will be strained or drained here. See here, there is a sitting cap here, so that the cleaning process is easy. Okay, you can clean perfectly instead of using somewhat like small bowls like this. The practical problem here is, if you want to clean with this here by turning on the tap, we cannot clean properly. See here, this will just spill out from the bowl, so that if you clean it properly like this, and if you want to use this after cleaning prawns or any non-veg items, if you want to clean for vegetables, the first thing you need to do is you need to clean it properly, wash it properly, or you can purchase two same bowls like this, as this is just 200 rupees. But for now the user is pretty much satisfied, as this is very useful under 200 rupees. This would be one of the best kitchen gadget or item you can have for better cleaning purpose. I hope this video helps. If it helps, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching.